Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we will be learning about isobars. Now, it is known that the atomic number of an element is its identity. It means that all the atoms of a particular element have the same atomic number, but it is different for the atoms of different elements. Now here I have two atoms, that is, one is of calcium with atomic number 20 and mass number 40, and the another one, that is argon, with mass number 40 and atomic number 18. If you clearly notice these two atoms, we see that the atomic numbers of these two atoms are different, but their mass numbers are exactly the same, that is 40. Now this means that these two atoms must be having equal number of nucleons in them. That is, their number of protons and neutrons add up to give the same mass number to both of them, that is 40. Now, this would essentially mean that when we take these two atoms and weigh them, we'll get the same weight. Even though they belong to different elements, they weigh exactly the same. Now, this pair of atoms of different elements with same mass number but different atomic numbers are termed as isobars. So we define isobars as the atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. Now there is another atom, that is an isotope of potassium, which has the same mass number as that of calcium and argon, that is 40. So this atom of potassium also forms an isobar for calcium and argon. Now let's take another example for a better understanding. I have an atom of carbon, which is carbon 14. We know that this is an isotope of carbon, that is carbon 14. And another atom of nitrogen. And we again see in both of these atoms that their atomic numbers are different, but their mass numbers are exactly the same, that is 14. So this pair of atoms are also called isobars. So this was all about isobars. So in this video, we have learned that isobars are the atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers and same mass number. So I hope you all had fun learning this lesson. Thank you.